Alright everybody, so here is my final on the MPC 1971 Mustang Mach 1. This is the one from the 007 series. I put my finger in front of the lens, that was bright of me. So, this is a fairly easy kit. I mean, this goes together real easy. Interior is super basic. I tried to copy mine off as much as the movie as possible. Focus there a little bit there. We'll come back to that. Tried to copy it as much as the movie as possible. Let's go to send, see what we got. Come on, get focused. Get focused. But, yeah, super easy kit. For some reason, mine did not come out the way I would have liked it to. It's a good looking model. Just, I don't know, just didn't quite come out to my likings here. This is, could have been better. Could have been better. Super basic, super easy. Let me show you the engine. Right there, if I don't not focus. There you go. Yeah. Couldn't quite match the headers up there with the exhaust, but, you know, like I said. So this is the exact same kit I did an MPC 71 Mustang Boss. Ooh, and the body came off. There we go. I did that. It's the exact same kit. Obviously this had different striping. Had some back pieces there. The front end's a little different. Let's put this over there. Front end's a little different. If it focuses, there it goes. In fact, actually, the bumper is one of the spare parts. This kit's got a lot of extra pieces to it. It's got engines and it's got all sorts of great stuff to customize your car with, roll cages and whatnot. Let's open up the hood here. This car I did, this purple one, I did this one about 4 or 5 years ago. And I don't know, I just think it came out a little bit better than the Mach 1. Like I said, same kit. Highly recommend the kits though. I mean, they are great kits. They do go together super easy, super quick, super fast. I mean, what's not to love about that? Every once in a while you need a good build. So I highly recommend it. Let me show you all the extra pieces that it comes with here. I have a box here. So let's move the cars in the back here. So I showed you the front bumper there. And let me do this. Here's the pieces in the back. Boom. These are all the leftover pieces you did not use in this kit. Like I said, engine, roll cage, half the chrome tree. Those are the wheels that are actually on over there. Some lights I didn't put on. Some kind of engine hose. Yeah, so that's all the leftover pieces. And like I said, give it a shot. I don't have really bad things to say about it. Everything that I think happened to this was a builder error, builder crappy builder. But like I said, the same one that did this one. So that's what I got. That's what I got going. I'll put some pictures up at the end here. I thank you all for watching. And like I said, I recommend the MPC 71 Mustang. You guys have a good one wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Take care of everybody.